Guys, what's up? Yeah.
Well, the stupid corn's in the way.
That's a tornado.
My mom's trying to take shots.
Flip it out, bro!
There is a tornado.
Reported a funnel cloud 2 miles southwest. That's just low-hanging clouds.
Then where's it at?
That's not it.
Hey, is it 2 miles southwest of Princeville? Where's that? That one?
Yeah.
Somewhere where you can't see it?
Okay, apparently
2
that's...
miles southwest of Princeville. That's
What the heck is going on? Can you guys hear that? Yeah, that's a tornado whistle. Oh yeah, Jordan! Jordan, it's just be a small cell. Don't worry, no tornadoes at all. I'm gonna keep looking at this cloud. It looks creepy. I don't see any movement on it. Jordan, come here. I don't see any movement. Wait, can you guys see all those lightning bolts? I'm not seeing anything. Yeah. Okay. You guys see those clouds? That looks cool. But hey, Dad! What the hell? If it was a tornado, wait. Wait, Dad, does that mean it's gone?
No.
Because the tornado whistles are off, or?
No, it's going the other way, but in the same line of storms as that cloud there.
Hey, Dad, come over here. This looks cool. Wow, bro. I'm still looking at that. It looks a little suspicious, doesn't it? Once,
No, that's not a tornado.
well, you can tell if it's a tornado once you see clouds going up it. You know what I mean? Because if you see clouds going up it, that
See
means,
that lightning flash?
yeah. Either you see spinach.
That looks like one.
Not spinach. Jeez.
Really darn fucking.
I always want to see a tornado, but that's not a tornado. Apparently not. It looks really cool on here. I'm putting this on YouTube. Really cool. Sitting inside also. I'm
I thought there was a fire call.
gonna just wait. That's not.
No, this is a tornado siren.
Yeah.
The only other time it goes off.
Oh, there. Scoot back so you can see it a lot more.
They tested it.
Since I'm short. Wow.
Wow. Pretty short.
Dude, these lightning bolts are insane on here.
Dude, it literally looks like it was just right there.
It looks like anywhere up there. It looks like.
Or it's just hiding the rest.
Well, apparently the tornado's all the way out there, like
Yeah, that's
far. Like Princeville's about 10 miles, right? And then 2 miles past Princeville. Either on. Yeah. Bro. There's no spiraling.
That looks like it's fire on. No, it looks like it's coming this way.
No, the clouds are moving this week.
you can tell it's moving that way, but I'm looking at those clouds all the way over
Right
there. I know the big area that's kind of hanging down. I'm kind of looking at that.
That one's coming down. You see it?
I've always like, whenever I see like tornado videos, I always see like the clouds going up the tornado. Kind of. That's what it kind of looks like. Or if you're like right up above it, or it's like right up above you, you see it spinning. Cause that's definitely a wall cloud. Right there.
What?
That's definitely a wall cloud right there.
It's a wall cloud.
What? Hell, like it has a sharp edge. Okay. This is.
Looks like it's coming towards
It's starting to rain, I think.
You can see the cloud coming this way. So it's going this way. It could be, that part could be going this way, but it looks all patched, so I think
I want to go towards this over here.
Look, it looks like a cloud's coming.
That looks like a freaking tornado,
Yeah.
but oh, jeez.
Damn.
You see that too?
Yeah. I thought it was just gonna be like a small cell. No, it looks like there's a tornado in it somewhere over there.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this because this cloud looks cool. What?
Starting to spring.
Yep.
My first YouTube video.
You gonna put that on YouTube?
Look, it looks like it's coming out. Right there.
Come on. You're back.
I look right there. You see it start spinning?
It's
You see
spinning.
right there? Whoa,
I had to call my mom.
dude.
Yeah. Tell her, tell you're
What?
okay.
Dude, right there. That's spiraling.
Yeah, it's starting to
Going
spiral.
toward Alta, which is where Grandma has.
Slowly, but it's starting to spiral.
Mom, cause like, oh my God, guys.
And do you feed this child? Do you feed this child?
Wow.
Do you see his bowl of cereal?
On that ground, we need to go.
You guys see that? It's like spinning.
It's spinning like really bad. Dude, all of those are coming into that.
Bro, this is scary.
You see what I mean? All the ones
Whoa.
from the left are coming in to the middle.
Okay, I think this might be my most viewed video, I'm pretty sure.
My first and most viewed.
Oh my God. Yeah, guys, these could be 2 videos, cause
At Robbie's, I'm fine though. Huh? Oh, I see you.
bye, Jordan. You see all that? That's all spiraling.